Hey guys, you're watching Tech Radar. Basil here, and we've got two phones, the XZ2 and the XZ2 Compact in front of me, and these two phones look like a real step up for Sony. We've covered them both hands-on individually, but how do they compare against one another? That's what this is all about. You can see on the XZ2, it's got a 5.7-inch screen, looks the business, glass front, curved glass back as well, metal frame. In fact, metal frames across both, but that's the first point of differentiation. You've got a plastic back on the XZ2 Compact. Ports are identical across both. You've got USB-C at the base, volume rocker to the right-hand side, as well as power button. On the rear, you've got the fingerprint scanner and the camera setup. The screens are also the same screen technology, but you have different sizes. Like I said, 5 inches on the XZ2 Compact. You've got S4 surround speakers on both 20% louder than their predecessors, which is very, very good. On top of that, you've got a vibrating tech on the Sony Xperia XZ2. It has a really large vibrating mechanism, and that makes it really, really nuanced. It's able to get the finer details of vibrations across the frequency, and you don't have that on the XZ2 Compact. Both of these phones can shoot 4K HDR. 4K HDR TV though, you have been warned. 64 gigabytes of storage under the hood of both, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and that Snapdragon 845, meaning you will have plenty of space and plenty of power under the hood, and you can expand both by up to 400 gigabytes with a micro SD card. Both have around 3000 milliamps of battery, just over on the XZ2, just under on the XZ2 Compact. So hopefully it should last a full day, but we'll have to wait till we get these in for review before we can confirm or deny that for sure. You also, final key point of differentiation, have wireless charging on the XZ2, whereas no wireless charging is on the XZ2 Compact. And that, my friends, is how these two differ. And there are a lot of similarities, like I said. If you want to know more about either of them, check out our hands-ons with each individually. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.